guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some exciting news. On Monday, I launched my new YouTube channel, and I'll leave a link down in the description below. That channel is going to be focused around cameras, cinematography, photography, and everything in between. And I'd really appreciate if y'all stop by there, throw a subscribe, and maybe show a little bit of support. I've been working on this channel idea for a couple months now. Kind of excited about it. I still intend on posting here, just not as much. Still gonna do backpacking reviews here, some backpacking hikes and everything in between, nature related. But yeah, my primary focus is gonna be that new YouTube channel. Other thing is, I launched my photography business. It's gonna be josephvalenti.com. I'll leave a link down below for that. And my new Instagram is @josephvalenti_. So please check that out. If you can, throw some support that way. Yeah, so it's pretty exciting launching my new thing. I've been working towards it for a couple years now. This YouTube channel, as some of you know, is just like a practice round. But I still intend on posting here. The stuff that doesn't really fit into that new channel, it's gonna be posted here. So point of view, nature photography, hiking, backpacking, camping, backpacking gear reviews, stuff like that. Anyways, today I'm gonna do a little quick video. We're up at Bird's Hollow Pond or Bird's Hollow Lake. I'm not really sure. It's near Watkins Glen, New York, in the Finger Lakes. It's pretty nice. I think there's a trail that goes around. I'm gonna walk around, maybe not necessarily do the trail, but do some nature photography. Post some pictures on this YouTube channel. Don't have my GoPro today, so can't really do point of view, but we'll get some nice nature shots in. It's beautiful outside. All right, let's get hiking. Alright guys, so that's it for that video. Hope you enjoyed the photos. Like I said, please check out my YouTube channel, links in the description. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button. And until next time guys, keep on hiking.